what is it? It's the second most visited site on the internet with over 1 billion hours watched per day. That's a lot of Lulu University. We're going to talk about how you can get in on that this week. YouTube is great because the users tend to be more engaged and are looking for answers to problems or trying to find solutions rather than mindlessly scrolling through social media. Another great thing about YouTube is it can also help you create additional income streams, which is very exciting. So once you build your following on YouTube, you can monetize your channel by allowing advertising and turn those views into cash. When you're setting up your YouTube channel, create a professional looking channel by using consistency and building your brand. So whatever you're using to create your YouTube channel, be sure it mirrors your author website. So using the same colors and fonts that you used in your author website so that people will recognize your brand across different platforms. Be sure that your channel is well organized and that you choose a good name for your channel. And then another thing to think about is that the name should be consistent across all of your platforms so that people can easily find you and recognize your work. And one thing to keep in mind, we have a lot of authors that ask us about this, but instead of creating a YouTube channel around one book or one project that you're working on, think big picture. So think about your author brand rather than the single book you may be working on. Finally, you want to make sure you have a really solid page description. So you can use your author bio as well as detailed information about your writing and genre to help complete this. All right, let's post those videos. So when you're planning on posting a video, the most important thing to think about here is SEO. So Google will use the metadata you entered to index and rank your video. The better job you do here, the more people will see your video. Part of that metadata is your description and title of your video. If you're unsure what the description and title should be, you can use Google Keyword Planner to find the most used keywords around your topic. To get started, log into your Google account at ads.google.com. Click Tools, Keyword Planner, find new keywords. Type in a keyword related to your video. Try to use the resulting keywords in your video title and description. Add these keywords as close to the beginning of your title and description as possible. And don't forget to include links to your website and where to buy your book in the description. A good tip here is to use bit.ly links in the first 1 to 2 lines of your description so they don't get cut off. Be sure to include tags when you're uploading the video. So tags are keywords that are specific to your video. So be sure to include any branded tags or brand specific tags that are related to the video or that are relevant, and include as many as possible. So an example of what this might look like would be if I am uploading a video about a review of the best flavors of Pop-Tarts, then some of my tags might be breakfast foods, marshmallows, strawberry filling, frosting, s'mores, hot fudge sundae, which is, I think, hands down the best Pop-Tart flavor, but any of those would work in the tags. Last but not least is frequency. So start slow and then begin to work at a pace that is comfortable for you. Posting 1 video a week can work for a lot of folks, but regardless of the frequency you choose, make sure you can stay consistent so that your viewers know what to expect and when to expect new content from you. Let's talk about promoting your videos. So be sure to encourage engagement by asking your viewers to comment on your videos or start a conversation. What conversation would you start in the videos that you're creating? Try to respond to every comment that comes through. That not only boosts engagement, but it encourages others to jump into the conversation. Ask viewers to like and subscribe to your channel. You can also add a custom subscribe button. This is just going to be a watermark that appears on the right bottom side of your screen that viewers can click on at any time to subscribe to your channel. Another great feature you can use on your videos are cards and end screens. So cards are just annotations on the video that will pop up and recommend suggested content to your viewers. It looks something like this. And it's a great way to show your viewers that you have additional content and that you're very knowledgeable on the subject and can keep them on your channel longer. End screens are highly customizable and allow you to show suggested content at the end of your video. So if you do want to use these, keep in mind what content you're showing at the last 10 to 20 seconds of your video. And if you don't want the end screens to appear over important content in your video, add some additional time at the end to account for the end screens. If you want to see what this looks like in real life, stick around. Another great tip for building your YouTube channel is to subscribe to other higher ranking YouTube channels and actively comment on the videos they put out. Don't troll, just comment. This way you can cross-promote with each other and gain more viewers. Be sure to embed your videos on other websites and share across your social media channels. All right, so that's a little bit about YouTube. So as we said in the video, be sure to like and subscribe and leave us a comment below. What did you see in this video that you liked? What did we miss? Let us know, and we'll see you next time on Lulu University.